Okay, hi everybody. This is me again, and we're now building this. We're building my computer, and my tech guy is here.
Alright, first we're going to install the I/O plate on the back of the case. This will have all the spots where you can put in your different components, your like your mouse, keyboard, and other things you need to plug in, your monitor, that kind of stuff. Alright.
Oh, it's on that side.
Yep, it's the only spot I can fit in back here. It's like a big cutout, basically.
So everyone, it's on the opposite side of it. So you can see my tech guy's arm right now. Where he's putting it in right now.
Oops. Gotta make sure you put it in right side up though. That's upside down. That would help. Okay.
Sorry if it seems boring right now. It's just that it's very hard, it seems, to put it in. You gotta line up just right, and you gotta be able to put it in.
Yeah, I'm trying not to scratch up your case too.
Oh, there. You got it.
Okay, you just gotta click it into place. Yep. It was staying a second ago. I didn't want to.
I think you gotta have both of them in at, like, pushing at the same time.
Well, some parts are clicking in and then they come back out. Not sure why it's not staying. I think that's about. Yeah, I mean, it's staying, but it's a little loose, but we'll just continue. And, okay, let's grab the motherboard.
For these videos, we're going to be putting about 3-ish pieces, maybe, at a time, pretty much, because we're probably gonna need to take a break, because this is gonna take a very, very long time. We're gonna try to do 3 to 7 pieces per episode, well, video.
So we don't have any static. This is a static strip.
We can't see it, but you see this
Anti-static strip.
Yep, anti-static strap.
gotta take. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I gotta check the instructions to make sure we're putting the standoff screws onto the motherboard in the correct spots. Okay. Looks like they go in the corners. Let's check it out. Yeah. Once we get the motherboard in there, this part of all the spots where the USB and the monitors and stuff go in, that will hold the plate in there better. Let's take a look at this real quick.
We just need to be very precise on this, or else, like, one mistake could make the computer not work entirely.
Yeah, it looks like. Okay, it looks like they already got them all lined up pretty good. But where are the screws? All right. You can pause it if you want, Phil, because I don't know where the screws are. We have to find the screws.
There's just one screw.
Yeah, no, there's a whole bunch.
Oh.
There's like 8 screws or something that we need.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to stop the video here for right now because there are missing screws, it seems. So,
We can do part 2 after we take it.
Yep.
Find it.
Okay, so, see you in part 2, everyone. Bye.